This is part 11 of building a web app. So in my last video, someone commented this, and I spent the last weekend and a big part of today working on that. And I wanted to show you guys basically how I fixed it. The user was changing some information here. For example, let's change the last name. Let's change the number here. Let's change some information inside here in the profile. Let's change the country. So if the user clicked on cancel before, the whole page, the whole page would be refreshed. All right. Basically, it would show the loading logo and the loading spinner, basically like this. However, now if the user changes some information here or here or here, all right, and now we click on cancel, look what it happens. The information is reset to basically the initial state. Actually, this was more difficult than I expected because I thought that it was just about putting the use effect somewhere in the profile component, and then basically it would just update the information. However, it was more complicated than that because I was handling the state from the parent component for the profile. So basically everything was handled by the parent, the profile component, and every time that the child component would would make some changes, it would update the state on the parent. All right, and when I click on cancel, it will reset the state on the parent element, and the parent would basically re-render everything, so all the information, and it goes a reload. So what I actually did is move the state from the parent to the components. So if you go into the about me here and we go into the candidate card, I'm passing down information as props, but then only here I am actually using I'm actually setting the states, and I'm handling all the information, all the states in the child components, right? Another thing that I did is adding context to handle the basically unsaved changes. And here you can see I have a state for has unsaved changes, which basically is updated by the child component where the changes are being done. And then I have a change fields. And basically here I am tracking the updated fields. And then once I am clicking on save once I'm clicking on save here at the bottom